So here we go. Ranger is not running very well at all. Seems to start up really easy, and then it starts to misfire and loses its RPM. And then if I throw my foot on the gas, it'll gain RPM, but still has an intermittent spark issue. It seems like. I'll start it up, and we'll see if I can hear it on the video, and then I'll do it again to make sure that I show it's like repeatable. And you'll see how initial startup's really easy, and then it kind of starts dying after that. So let's give it a shot. Starts easy, dies. If I give it some gas, get the RPM up a little bit. Just searching for a spark or something, I don't know, but that's the issue. And then do it again. Starts easy, misfiring, smooths out, all over the place. So, any help? Thanks.